ab'ekitongore kya Smile Train kurwo muri Amerika hamwe n'abakukurwo mu Uganda batongoza ihuriro yo kushemereza bushabo bona abine obuzibu obu aho mu rurembo rwa Mbarara.
Tibana bino eminwa na nenkanka ezabazi ezisisikire kungaho n'abana bakusya umuru bakukibushere bakukibwa mate bakukibwa bi baza kukira ukashanga bagira ki baramara.
We have screened patients who have all sorts of ailments, the cleft lip, the cleft palate, those with the various ailments, the syndactyl, polydactyl, the contractures, and patients are still coming because we did vast mobilization.
Omuhureji abantu barikurenga mu 300 nibo barikuteekateekwa kukorwaho kandi okucondoza nukworeka ngo abana barikuhika mu 10 nibo barikuzaarwa n'oburemeezi bw'eminwa bashatukire hamwe n'enkanka okwetooroora ihanga na buri mwaka.
Ekino mbwene ubona oburemu obukubaho omwana yakiri omunda ya nyina eminwa egyo yaba eriyo neefominga mbwene nuguremwa kuteerana n'enkanka eremwa kuteerana.
We are offering free services, reconstructive services, or plastic surgery for that matter. And this is going to cover anything that needs reconstruction.
Professor Elchum Mutakoha nagira ngo abazire bine kufayo munongo kwetegereza abana babo baheza kuzaarwa ecyari kugira ngo umwana ko ari kuba yarengirwe n'ikimugomero kumushemeza.
Kamirunde mingi noreba omusheja mukuru yakuze ushango togumuntu kunja ngo akahirwa bamureba kare akabe yaragurirwa baki. Bencho kweza abazire kumana bareba abana babo babitegereza kurungi.
I think 150 because there are 2 taxis or minibuses on their way here because this is where we gathered this week.
Eshongeji abakuguna bagira ngo nebaho mukangwa ko mwana omunda ya nyina uganyuma y'ubutafari okuremwa kwatana kurungi. Health campaign neja kumara Sunday yona ubu barikushemeza abo bona bino buremezo nkobu. Aha bwa TV West nde era akiza.